Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new project. This is, you can see in front of you, is the robot. It's the modular robot asset actually. So they are actually the one, but I just make another copy this way and just put it like this way. Okay. So as you can see, I used just kind of like black material on this, and black and yellow combination. It's like kind of like rust is there and dirt is there, and also there is kind of like a very bright headlight or something, you know, kind of like it's a cockpit. So the light is glowing, and this is the back side. So all the parts of the asset is separatable. I mean, you can, and here is like a circle platform. I just put it like this way. So the robot is standing on the platform, and it's a combat robot. Actually, you can see several types of examples in a game, and also, you know, also in the Avatar movie. So several types of this type of robot also. So actually, this robot is containing 4 guns. This is one 4-barrel Gatling gun, and this is also 4-barrel kind of like rocket launcher or something. So it's like that gun, and there is the shoulder gun. So it's like this one is completely combat ready robot. So it's like you know, you can switch the arms according to your needs, and you see the leg part is here, and this is the leg part, and this is the thigh part, and here is another part. And then finally the top of the leg, and this is the hip joint. So you see, and finally you can see the from the antenna to these are the texture set actually, and this is quite ready from the substance. And on the back I just use a kind of like a nuclear sign to, you know, it's like to show everyone that this is a nuclear type of robot, so don't mess with it, something like that. So okay, so guys, I think the part 1 is done. I mean, this is the robot 1, so part 1 is done. I will continue it in Unity, and then the final part will be in Unreal. So I think you will understand a lot about this one when we go to the Unity and Unreal. So thank you guys, keep watching. Thank you. Hello guys, this is the second part of the robot project. As you can see here, this is a modular robot part. So you can see all the robots is here, and this is a kind of like a robot segments. So I just make it like this way for the better display, and these are the parts. Okay, in front of the parts you can see the weapons and all that, and you know, the body parts and all that. Okay, this is the head part, this is the joint part, the hip part. Okay, so yeah, I think for the drawer, I mean asset drawer, so you can find like this is the actual FBX, and here is obviously the 4K material slots. Okay, they are the material slots, and also the textures. I mean, here you can find the textures. The textures are all 4K 4096. Okay, and this is Unity HDRP. So you can see the Unity HDRP template. And here you can find the robot prefab. Okay, the robot prefab, so you can find this is the actual robot prefab. You can find here. Okay, here and here. Okay, so it's like that. So yeah, something like that. And also if you're gonna find like robot prefab and robot parts. Okay, here are the robot parts, something like this. So what you can do, what is the interesting part is like you can custom the design. Okay, although you have this is, by the way, I'm going to make it as like you know, a collection, so 10 robots in a one pack, so it's like something like that. But if you let's say you can have like this robot textures and robot prefab. Okay, so like this robot. Okay, you just place it like this, and then here let's say you want a custom design, add some other you know, elements. So it's like you go to the robot parts, yes, and let's say one Gatling gun here. So you can arrange it, and you can snap it like here. This is the idea. Okay, so this is kind of like a new version. You can add and make it as deadly as possible. So something like this. So it's like yes, it's like something like this. You have to connect, and then you have this one. Okay, let's say okay, and then you have to maintain this gun, arrange this gun. No problem, you can have this one. Come on to the actual location of this one, and you can snap it. You just need to snap that, or you just need to in the upper part you just need to snap that and position it here, something like this. Yes, okay, just need to snap V, oops, V, okay, V, and snap it. Okay, done. You see some other parts. Okay, there. So it's a double barrel kind of you know, system. So yeah, there is a little bit of you know, what we are doing. There is a little bit of just a little bit of system. You can custom also if you want to, you know, what else, let's say this part, let's say this part, or that part, this part. Okay, you can have a custom part like attach it here or something like that. It's a kind of like this, and you can attach, and you can, nobody is noticed that what you are attaching actually, this one to this one. So yeah, okay, you can obviously you can have kind of like rotate it, or you can rotate it something like this. no problem, no problem. Okay, so it's like this. So you get the idea that what I'm gonna do. It says something like this, and here is something like this to this. Yeah, some custom variations to the things. Okay, so yeah, by the way, you can come up with your version, a little bit of choice you can have, but I prefer you to go for like let's say in a maximized view. I just suggest you to buy the collection if possible, but you can buy always, you can you can take it like a single one also, no problem. Okay, then let's say sum of this part. What else you can have some of the customization also. Let's say you have to decorate the top part like a hat, something like that, and okay, that is, and then maybe go this way. Let me zoom out, and it's a minus or a 90-degree, no problem. Oops, it's 90 by the rotation is 90. Okay. Then what you can do, you can always come up with the idea that that it's a hatch. Okay, something like that, and then whatever position you're gonna prefer, like this, maximize, and you have to minus 90. Okay, minus 90, like you have to do that, and you have to do that, and you have to come up with this type of version. And let's say this one, and a bit small. Okay, and then maybe some other hatches also. You see, it's looking quite nice. I think you get the idea. Let's say this one. Okay, then make it a copy, and this is also a thing. Okay, and then make it Control D to make it another copy. You just get it like a small one, so place it there. Okay, you see, so it's like you can do it. So don't feel it like it's empty or something. You can always have to you have the option to little bit of customization. So this is what, guys, this is what you can do. And you can, let's say, finally with these parts, you can if you wanna establish a kind of a hangar that it's a factory, and these kind of robots in assembly line. So that type of scene you can easily create by these things, because like this type of robot is in assembly line, something like that, and something like that. So it's coming from the assembly line. You see the assembly lines or something like that. You see what I'm talking about? You see, so it's like a factory type of things that people are working on and making these machine giants. Okay, guys. So this actually concludes the Unity part. Later, I will show you the Unreal part. Okay. So thank you. I think you guys are enjoying. Thank you very much. Hi guys, this is part 3 from the Unreal Engine. As you can see here, this is the same robot part, And what you gonna find is actual the same things like robot head, okay, then robot thigh part, hip part, and all that. All the assets are there, and as well as the robot prefab you can find, okay, no problem. Okay, then you can find this one. If I just go for, and also obviously you find the materials and all that as it is, like for the Unreal users also. So the same condition actually for the Unreal users. So if I maximize the view so that you can understand this one quite okay. So one thing you notice that the mannequin size and the robot size, it's this type of size. You can see, you can easily understand that the size comparison is this one. And in front of you, you are seeing that from the platform, and you see this is the small details. Okay, so these are the weapons and the body parts and all that. So you can see, I think the Unreal is behaving properly actually. So this one is like the segmented parts and all that things, but this is the modular robot just assembled here, as you can see here. Okay, so in the back, just like a nuclear sign, that this is a nuclear reacted robot. So from the top side, you can use it in your game, like kind of like a player, or also kind of like an enemy or all that. So I'm trying to make a collection of that. So hopefully the collection will be ready soon. But this is the number one. So number one is assembled with this type of parts. Okay. So I think you enjoy this one, and I will come again with this type of exciting project. So I think you enjoy, and if you need this one, you can go to you can search in my asset store, or you can direct DM me if you need this one in your game or in your project or whatever. So I think I need to finish this workflow now. So guys, I will see you again in the next video or next project. Thank you very much for your time, and please stay with OpuArt, and please stay with me and my channel and my my page, web page. So thank you very much.